Hello guys! Welcome to lesson number 4. Today we will talk about cleansers. Which type of cleansers do we have? This one is a foam cleanser, or better, cleansing foam. It cleans your skin gently and it's perfect for the sensitive skin type. This is the texture. Next, we will see the gel cleanser. The gel cleanser are formulated to dissolve oil and fight blemish-causing bacteria without stripping the skin. They are best for oily or combination skin types that are prone to breakouts. And this is very gentle on the face, on the skin too, the same as the foam. Here is the texture of the gel cleanser. Then we have the cream cleansers. Cream cleansers are lightweight, water-based formulas that clean without leaving residue. These products contain oils and emollients along with cleansing ingredients and are recommended for normal to dry skin types. We are going to see the soap. The soap will deeply clean the skin and leave it feeling thoroughly cleansed and refreshed. You should look for glycerin or cold cream soaps formulated specifically for the face, so do not use body or bath soap on your face. Especially antibacterial soap, because it will strip the skin and leave it feeling tight and dry. Here we have the water cleanser. You should use the water cleanser daily to cleanse your skin, applying over the face with a cotton pad or with your hands. No need to rinse. And I should add that it's not like the micellar water, because the micellar water, it helps remove the makeup. Okay guys, this is all the products I have and the main type of cleanser. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!